After several days of designing, setting up, and inspecting, the treehouse finally welcomes its first group of kitty visitors. Beside the bustling treehouse, Raphael calmly surveys the scene with his arms crossed. His restless tail reveals his actual feelings. You might want to worry less about the kitties up there and more about your beach.
I've covered it with pebbles so it won't be mistaken for a litter box now. And as for the high platforms, they're equipped with safety nets. There's nothing to worry about there. I'm more concerned they won't appreciate my design.
Despite saying those words, Raphael can't help but occasionally glance at the kitties scampering around. The popularity of the treehouse exceeds our expectations. Raphael and I lean against a reef-shaped cushion, keeping an eye on everything.
Five, 6, 7? Are we actually gonna see 10 kitties dancing on the trunk?
Ten of them are probably still lighter than the two of us.
That depends on the kitty. As far as I know, a cat can weigh up to 50 pounds.
Why do you remember such specific details?
It's unbelievable that a cat can get that big without mutating. Watch out!
An ebony kitty nearly loses its footing while climbing on the treehouse, but before Raphael can react, it uses the net to finish its climb. I thought you weren't worried.
Treating kitties can be way more expensive than treating people.
That's a good reason to be concerned, but maybe you should start worrying about yourself too. Raphael's focus is entirely on the treehouse, and he doesn't notice several kitties sneaking up on him.
They have a huge treehouse to explore. Why are they climbing on me? I'm not a cat tree.
Maybe they're understood your design aesthetic and just want to mingle with the artist.
Wait, this kitty. Nice to see you again, little brat. You wrecked my secret base and tried to bully the designer. Stop acting innocent. Keep your claws to yourself, and keep your tail from hitting me. Cats should have manners too. When entering someone else's territory, be polite, and always ask for permission before getting up close with another cat's owner.
Seeing Raphael having fun with the kitties, I take out the camera I prepared. Okay, kitty, lift your paw a little for the punch. Yes, just like that.
Why are you helping them against me?
Raphael puts the cat down and comes over. He browses the photos on the camera.
These kitties are wild. My hair's all messed up now. And it took forever to smooth out my tail. Now I gotta do it all over again.
They seem so happy though. Maybe the curse will be lifted soon. I'll miss that lovely tail and those soft cat ears. As the shutter button clicks, I look up in surprise to see Raphael smiling behind the camera. His curved eyes are filled with mirth.
Beautiful things might not last, but moments like these are worth remembering.
In the photo, his tail is gently wrapped around my wrist as I enjoyably rub my face with its tip. Why do I look like that?
I don't think there's anything wrong with it. You look happy and cute. The only good thing about this annoying tail is that it brings out such an expression from you, cutie.
Raphael picks up his tail with a finger. With a mix of disdain and pride, he tosses it aside.
But I guess it's better if I deal with this burden. It's time for my tail to gracefully retire.
But